Hey, what's going on, internet world? Welcome to another street to bowling shoe tutorial. Now, I know what you're saying. LD, you already did a tutorial about how to make a street shoe into a bowling shoe. Yeah, but it was kind of silly. This one is more serious. Look at my serious face. Okay, now back up, because I think I got a pimple somewhere. This is more serious, straight to the point. So, let's get it in. Alright, first you're going to need a street shoe. Of course, that's what this whole video is about. So, it's kind of important to get you a street shoe. About the street shoe, you always want to pick the shoe that you slide with. Okay, so if you're right-handed, you should be sliding with your left foot. If you're left-handed, you should be sliding with your right foot. You also want to make sure you don't pick a shoe that has all black sole. You know what I'm saying? If it has an all black sole, that means it's going to leave streaks on the lanes, and other bowlers it's not going to like that. So pick a shoe that is clean and doesn't have a black sole. You're also going to need some scissors. You're also going to need some Velcro. I went with the industrial strength low profile. Since this is going on the bottom of the shoe, I picked low profile because, you know, the puffy Velcro didn't seem like it would be a good fit. Now you're going to need a Dexter slide pad. Okay, with the Dexter slide pad, you want to make sure you're getting the cut to fit, and you want to pay attention to the number. Okay, I went with number 8 because the number 12 will have you sliding forever, and the number 1 will not let you slide at all. So I went with number 8 because I want to slide, but I don't want to slide forever. You're also going to need super glue. Last but not least, get you some super glue. I got the spray kind and I got the drop to apply kind, so got them all here. Now let's just put them all together. Alright, you want to get your shoe and your slide pad together. What you want to do is flip this slide pad over, and you want to cut the slide pad out in order for it to match the top half of your shoe. Okay, so you kind of want to get that excess off of it so it'll match the shape of your shoe. Once you cut it out, it should look something like this. This will match the, my sole, pretty much. I cheated a little bit because I already had this pad from my last shoe, and these are something like the last shoes I had. Now you want to get the Velcro, and you want to pick the Velcro that attracts to the slide pad. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not the hairy piece of Velcro. It's gonna be the bald one, the more rigid one, or whatever it's called. Boom, see, it attaches to it. Now what you want to do with this Velcro is cut it out into strips so you can glue it at the top of this toe so that will stick to it. Okay, boom, boom. I'll be back with how that should kind of look. Alright, it should look something like that. Once you got it where you want it, okay, you want to get that super glue and glue these strips down to the rubber. Unless you trust this adhesive alone, then don't worry about the super glue. But since I don't, I'm gonna put super glue on the back of these strips so they can stick better to the sole of this shoe. Alright, you want to let it dry for a little bit or whatever, and then you can just put your slide pad on. You understand what I'm saying? You put it on the best way and just take it to the bowling lane now.